Hello children, welcome to your maths class. So let's continue today's our class with the same topic which we have already discussed in last class, that is your simplification. In last class we have already discussed one rule, that is DMAS rule. Let me tell you, revise this, what is DMAS? DMAS means when we are operating 4 operations at a time in a problem. How to simplify a problem when 4 operations are there in that problem. Now we are going to discuss more operations are there in a one problem. I am writing here what I have written. I have written BODMAS. Don't think I am telling to you. This is one rule, BODMAS rule. Okay. So what is this? B stands for bracket, O stands for order or of, D stands for again division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and as usual A stands for subtraction. Okay, so this is your another rule, that is BODMAS rule. When all these operations are, when we are using in one problem, so how to simplify this to get a single value or single answer. Okay, so first we will discuss about this bracket. Bracket, there are 4 types of brackets. Okay, this is one bracket, this is one bracket, this is one bracket, and this is one bracket. So let me tell you what these are. This is called your small bracket or we can say parenthesis. Okay, this is your small bracket or parenthesis. This is your curly bracket. This is your square bracket, and this is your bar bracket. So these are 4 types of brackets. Out of these 4, this is also one question, which one we are going to solve. So first, out of when all these brackets are there in one problem, so first you will open this bracket, bar bracket you have to open first, number 1 bar bracket. Second is your small bracket or parenthesis, you will open this bracket if it is there. Then third one you will solve curly bracket, you will open this bracket. At last you will open square bracket when all these operations are, all these brackets are there in one problem. You have to solve accordingly, first bar, then small, then curly, then square. Then come to O. O stands for order or of. Okay. Order means we can say that powers. Okay, or of, suppose this is 2 to the power 3 or 3 to the power 2. When this type of operations are there, we can follow this order. Or of means your multiplication. Suppose written 15 of 2 by 3 or 2 by 3 of 15. Okay, like these questions are there. That means we are going to this operation use of. Okay, so of, including of, we can follow this. Then come to as usual your division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. In this way, in this manner, we have to follow the steps to get the answer. So I am showing one example to solve this BODMAS rule. I am writing here one question. Example I have taken 12 minus, what is this? Square bracket 20 divided by 8, then curly bracket 8 minus 2, then 9 minus 5 minus 2, then close this bracket, and finally this bracket. Okay, so this is one example. We have to solve this in a simple way to get the value. So here you can see how many operations are there. First you see, one is your subtraction, one is division, then here also subtraction, and how many brackets are there? One is small bracket, one is curly bracket, one is square bracket. So 3 brackets are given. So what you will do? First step to follow the Bodmas rule, we have to open the brackets. Out of bracket, first we have to open bar bracket. But here bar bracket is not there. So next is your this square parenthesis or small bracket. We have to open this first. So rest all you write as it is, 12 minus then 20 divided by 8. So I have forgot to give this. No. 20 minus 20 divided 8 minus 2 multiplied. See, I have given one multiplication symbol. If you will face this type of question, 2 then bracket start, that means 2 is multiplied with this value. Okay, so this bracket we have to remove, means we have to put this multiplication value. So when you will remove this parenthesis or small bracket, in beside that which value is that, we have to solve that. 9 minus 5 how much? 4. 4 minus 2 how much? 2. So put the value directly 2. Okay, then this bracket work is over, then remove this bracket, then only this curly bracket is there and this square bracket is there. Curly bracket started from here. So what you have done here? You remove which bracket? You have to write remove parenthesis. Okay. Next step, which bracket we have to remove? This curly bracket. So beside that, in between that, which one is there? 8 minus 2 multiplied by 2. See, in between this bracket, two operations are there. Okay. So what you will do? Solve this. 20 divided by, how much it's coming? 2 2s are 4. First you multiply this. Okay, 2 2s are 4. Then 8 minus 4 is your 4. We got the value here 4 because both the operations we have solved. Then we got the single value 20 divided by 4. Okay. Now this bracket also removed. Only this square bracket is left. Then you write here opened or removed which bracket? Curly bracket. This work is also over. Then come to this step. 12 minus 20 divided by 4 how much? The value is 5. So put the value 5. That means this bracket work is also over. Then remove square bracket. Okay. Now at last we got here subtraction. 12 minus 5. So we have to follow subtraction. The value is how much? 12 minus 5 is 7. So the answer is, we got here 7. That is your simple single value we got after solving so many operations in one problem. Okay. So this is your Bodmas rule. I am showing one more example. I hope you all will understand. another example I am showing. Number 2 example, 24. Here from the beginning your bracket is there, 24 divided by 10 minus 8 minus 6 minus 2. See, bar bracket always it is on the top of the number. So here this bracket is over. So we are going to solve this problem following Bodmas rule. So first you will see how many operations are there. Division is there, subtraction is there, then how many brackets are there? All the brackets, I think, bar bracket, parenthesis, curly bracket, square bracket. So all the operations are here. So it is very interesting. Let me solve. So according to rule, which one we are going to follow? Bracket, out of bracket, bar bracket is first. So beside this, 24 divided by, rest all you will write as it is, 10 minus bracket 8 minus, the bar bracket is present on the above of 6 minus 2. So we have to open this bracket, means we have to solve this. So 6 minus 2 how much? 4. So directly you can put the value 4. That means this bracket is removed. Now put all 3 brackets and write here removed bar bracket. Okay. This first step is over, one bracket is over. Then come to second bracket, that is your small or parenthesis. Okay, right here 24 divided by 10 minus how much? 8 minus 4 is how much? 4. Put the value. Now this bracket is also removed. Okay, so right here removed small bracket. Okay. Third step, which bracket next? This curly bracket. Curly bracket beside this how much is there? 10 minus 4. Rest all right as it is, 24 divided by 10 minus 4 how much? 6. That means this bracket also removed. This is your last step, and mention here open curly bracket. Okay, last step is to remove this square bracket, and beside this your division is there, 24 divided by 6. If you divide this, the value will be 4, and this bracket also removed. Removed square bracket. Okay, the value we got 4. So don't be confused children, when all the operations are there, first you see how many operations are there and what we are going to open or what we are going to solve first. If we will follow this in systematic manner, so we can easily get the value. So this is all about your Bodmas rule. So we have to follow this to get the simple way the answers.